Alright guys, good morning. Today is the day that we are trying out mane and tail shampoo. Where is it for human use? You can see my hair is kind of a greasy mess this morning, as usual, up in all different directions. The beard's feeling pretty good. We're going to try it on the beard as well. Beard hair is pretty coarse, and a reviewer on Amazon said this makes your hair silky smooth. So I'm going to see if it makes my hair silky smooth. I did get this from Walmart. I was hoping to pick up the conditioner as well, but they didn't have it. They only have the shampoo. So I'm going to be trying it on myself now. I got the shower running. You're not going to see that part, guys. Hey now. And I'm going to try it on my dog Kona later, and we'll see how things are once I get out of the shower. Okay? Okay, so the shower's done. My initial reaction is very positive. I have to say, my hair has a lot of volume. It is silky smooth, as per that Amazon reviewer. It feels really nice. The beard is nice and soft. Like, it's not kind of shooting in all directions. Look how nice it looks. The mustache is laying beautifully. Look how nice that is. Wow, I have to say, if you've never given it a shot, maybe Horse and Mane can help you. I mean, it's definitely for horses, obviously. No, not Horse and Mane, Mane and Tail. Definitely for horses, and they have a lot of hair. So, I don't know. I kind of like it. Hair feels nice. We'll see how Kona likes it later. Alright, so it's Kona's turn. She doesn't, I don't think, know what's going on. Oh, no, we're not going to go in there. Okay, we're going to get a shower, alright? We got the mane and tail. Let's see how things go. No, I've never bathed a dog before. No. Oh, come on. Back in. Oh, boy. Right. Okay. I really wanted to film the actual bathing, but I've never bathed a dog before, and it was a little more difficult than I thought because she kept wanting to jump out. But once she figured out that we were bathing, she kind of chilled. Now she's playing with the blankie. One thing I didn't notice about the shampoo when I was doing my own hair was that it has a really nice smell. Really, really nice. I gotta do a little more research, but it doesn't say on the bottle, but I think it's apple blossom. I think I saw that on the website when I was doing research. Kona's now trying to figure out how to dry herself, I think. But she really enjoyed the shower. And, let's see. Wow, nice and silky smooth. She smells good. Yeah, and she's enjoying her little towel bed right now. I think she's just gonna nap. Was that fun, Kona? Yeah, maybe she wants to go back for more. Look, she likes the mane and tail. All right, well, if you guys try it, let me know. I'm going to keep using it for probably like a week or so, maybe longer. And I'll keep you updated on how it's making my hair silky smooth. All right, say bye, Kona. All right, see you guys.